It does look bullish as in the prices as the premium builds up on in sense of the concerns that are coming in from the Middle East, the Iran, the African countries, all of that really supporting the crude prices. So while the WTI crude or the US crude is trading at 5-week highs, and that also has a reason. That's because the US inventories have declined in this week more than what the markets were expecting. That's supporting the WTI crude. But the run-up really has come in for Brent crude prices, which are trading at around 8-month highs. And as you were touching upon the point, Neeraj, it's about Iran. While these are unconfirmed reports, because no concrete news is coming out of Iran, but the sources say that the shipments to France and Netherlands has been shut as of now from Iran, and Iran also has threatened to stop shipment to other 4 more European countries. Now remember, Europe already has said that they would embargo or they would stop shipment imports from Iran starting July, but Iran really has started this much earlier in Feb itself. So that really is supporting the prices. And it's not just about Iran. I mean, of course, that situation could only get worsened. There are supply disruptions coming in from Syria as well because of an explosion in a major pipeline there. There are shipment concerns from Sudan. There is some payment issues coming in there. Yemen has a strike happening. So most of these major producer countries are facing issues, and the supplies only seem to be getting lower. And that is the reason you have seen the London Brent or the Middle East prices really go on the higher side. In the coming few days, while the Europe situation, the debt crisis, Greece concerns would cap too much of gains here, but markets would be looking out for Iran for further cues. In the coming few days, as per the people we have spoken to, are expecting levels like 103, 105 for the WTI crude, while 120 to 125 are the kind of levels that you are hearing for the Brent crude prices.